Hello everyone, welcome to the first episode of Tech Talk, and today's episode actually being very interesting because today I'm actually discuss about the battle between AI coding agent and the developer. So the battle actually like many of the developers, they're actually thinking that AI coding agent actually took their job, and they actually lose their job just because of AI coding agent can do anything. I mean, they can develop anything. Any complex feature. So why actually company paid to a developer, they can actually easily hire one expert, and they can purchase the subscriptions of AI coding agent, and they can just do it. Like, they can just do any product, like they can implement any product. So that is actually the fun fact. Uh, I mean, many of the developers, they still think. They still afraid, like AI coding agent might took their job. So that is the thing. That is the interesting thing. I'll share. I'll discuss in this episode, so that those developers who are actually afraid or confused, like how to, how they can overcome their those afraid. How they can actually get rid of those confusions or uncertainty among their about their survival. In software industry. So I'll actually discuss those things. Well, so don't skip this video, just keep watching. So I think we already know, or we already aware of many AI coding agents who actually perform really really good. And if you are able to provide a good prompt to those AI coding agent, then they can actually make a plan for you, and you can review that plan, and they can just uh, like you implement that complex feature. If you do it by yourself, then it will take at least 6 hours. If you but an AI coding agent can do it only within 1 to 2 hours, so it's actually 4 hours saved. So and you know that time is really important. So, and that is where actually AI coding agent now actually become a threat for thus many. Became threat for many software developers. So what I would like to say, or what I would like to share, that or I would like to assure those developers that please don't be threatened by the AI coding agent, because AI coding agent itself, I mean can't do anything. You need to, someone needs to guide AI coding agent to do the job, and you need to be that someone. You need to guide AI coding agent to do the job. But if you are not able to do that, if you are not able to guide AI coding agent to do the job, then you will lose your job. Because so what is the important thing here? You need to know, and you need to learn. You need to learn how you can guide AI coding agent in an efficient way, so that AI coding agent can give you better result, or AI coding agent can give you better performance. So it's your responsibility now. In 2026, you need to be, you should learn how to use AI coding agent, and you need to learn many tactics, and you need to study the the guides. How you can use AI coding agent, how to write a good prompt, and how to set rules, or how to connect MCP servers with AI coding agent. So those kind of things you need to know. And also, the key secret, the key secret strategy in this approach is, like, let's say you would like to build a feature. So what you need to do, you need to brainstorming. So AI coding agent, as I earlier said, that AI coding agent actually doesn't know anything. So you need to, you need to study, you need to analyze the feature, and then you need to make a plan. Okay, so you need to make a draft plan, and then you can provide the draft plan to ChatGPT and make a good prompt like, this is your requirement, this is your plan. So, and then you can provide that plan to the AI coding agent to do the job. So this is your job. You are, you don't need to write code actually. If and like that mindset you need to change, because as I earlier said, like otherwise AI coding agent actually replace you. So that is the key thing. You need to keep in mind, and you need to be focused on from now on, from today. So what I said actually, like you need to you need to learn like how to use AI coding agent, and that is the thing. If you provide so that the example I said, that you need to plan a feature, you need to draft that plan, and you need to provide that draft plan to ChatGPT, and you need to make a good prompt from there, and you need to provide that prompt to AI coding agent. But that here you need to apply some more tactics. If it is a big feature, then you need to chunk it up, and you need to provide uh, you need to provide chunk by chunk prompt to AI coding agent, so that AI coding agent uh, don't misguide you. So those kind of tactics you need to know. So in short, you now, this is the time. This is the time for you to, to learn how to use AI coding agent. And if you don't learn, and if you still in 2026, if you are strict with, you would like to, you love to do coding. You love to do coding, you love to write code by yourselves, then actually after 1 year, in 2027, you might lose your job, because writing code actually anyone can write code. Like if you provide all the, all the details, like what he needs to develop, then anyone can write that code. So writing code is not that much important. So the thing that is important is to make a plan, make a design, and then just give it to AI coding agent. So AI coding agent actually do the rest of those things for you. So don't think like AI coding agent as a competitor, like as a competitor. Don't think like that, like AI coding agent is a competitor. So AI coding agent actually your co-worker, your junior developer. You can think AI coding agent as your junior developer, and you are the boss. So you need to you need, and as a boss, what you should not like write code, right? So you need to make a plan, and you need to you need to guide AI coding agent to do the job. So that should be your responsibility going forward. So don't waste your time. And you know that technology are technology changes so fast, so you need to focus on those, and you need to adapt yourselves with those changes. And most importantly, you need to learn several AI coding agents, and I would like to prefer Claude. So you need to learn how to use Claude, any AI coding agent, and then I think you will actually, you'll feel more safe in software industry and in your career. So I hope you enjoy this you enjoy this tech talk. And for more tech talk like this, please don't forget to subscribe these channels. And if you like this video, just put a comment in the comment sections, and see you on next video. Until then, good luck and goodbye.